Hi there, my name is Jennifer Legassi and I am a RN to BSN student at Aspen University, and I hope that you will utilize the Comprehensive Veterans Resource List for medical, emotional, housing, and nutritional needs that I have compiled. I think you'll find it very helpful, and I think one of the things that's really important to remember is, depending upon your status with the Veterans Association, you will be able to get some service-connected disability benefits. The VA will pay disability compensation to veterans with injuries or illnesses that are incurred during or aggravated by their military experience. The VA must determine that disability is service-connected, so that's for them to determine through your records. And a Veterans Services representative is available at all VA medical centers and regional offices to explain and assist veterans who need help in applying for your disability benefits. So there is help available to do this. You don't have to do it on your own. We have a VA medical center at White River Junction in Vermont. We also have one at the Manchester VA Medical Center in New Hampshire. Some medical care resources. It's important to realize that there are primary care offices that are open and available to take all of you in for care, for primary care reasons. If for some reason you cannot get affiliated with a doctor from the VA system, there's primary care at the Tilton VA Community Clinic. There's some primary care specialists at the VA Medical Center in Manchester, which I mentioned a brief time ago. There's primary care at the Laconia Clinic, as well as Health First here in Laconia. Emergency care, of course, you can go to Lakes Region General Hospital. Urgent care needs, there are two places convenient to Laconia, which is the Convenient MD in Belmont and the Clear Choice MD in Belmont. Both available and willing to take any urgent care needs that aren't considered an emergency. Dental care resources, we have the Dental Resource Center in Laconia, Gage Dental Office in Laconia, Roy Carson Dentistry in Laconia, Jeffrey Cowell Dentistry, William Bowles Dentistry, and please note that all above will accept insurance, self-pay payment plans, and they do have some low-cost programs, so that's important to know as well. Mental health resources for PTSD, homelessness, LGBT support, as well as generalized mental health concerns, the VA Medical Center in Manchester, Lakes Region Mental Health Center here in Laconia, Corner Bridge Peer Support, also located in Laconia. New Hampshire Department of Health and Human Services is available through a 1-800 number, and they can connect you with a local office that could also help your needs. And then Riverbend Community Mental Health is comprehensive mental health care in the Concord area. For foot care resources, the Tilton VA Community Clinic, the VA Medical Center in Manchester, Kenneth Lindbergh, the Laconia Clinic, and affiliates in podiatry in Meredith, all are available to do routine foot care as well as specialized foot care when it comes to diabetics and peripheral vascular disease and other specialized issues, particularly that might pertain to injuries or disease processes because of wartime injuries. Eye care resources, Winnipesaukee Eye in Laconia, Laconia Eye and Laser in Guilford. There are specialists at the VA Medical Center in Manchester. And again, all of these above do offer some reduced rates, payment options, availability to get lenses and glasses at the office. Walmart and Tilton in Guilford also offer eyeglass stores for convenience in repair and obtaining the glasses once you have a prescription. Nutritional resources, nutritional education can be done at the VA Medical Center, or Lakes Region General Hospital has its own dietary and nutrition center as well. There are various food pantries in which to help with your needs to actually get food. St. Vincent de Paul in Laconia, Salvation Army also in the Laconia area. There's several places that offer free dinners and lunches, Hands Across the Table in Laconia, Isaiah 61 in Laconia also, and free lunches from Got Lunch program in Laconia. So definitely some resources that can help not only to have you better utilize dietary restraints and restrictions to help with your overall health, but also places where you could go to get food if that is a need of yours. Housing resources. There are some homeless shelters here in Laconia, Carey House, Belknap House, Salvation Army, and the Ozanam Place. There are some low-income rentals, which you can inquire at the Laconia Housing Authority. Long-term placement, the New Hampshire Veterans Home in Tilton specifically can help you with that. There is a bit of a waiting list, so if that's something that you think you might need in the future, definitely get your name in there sooner rather than later. ServiceLink is always a good option. They provide resources and help with getting forms completed for housing requests. And there's also a VA homeless veteran program, and they can help you as well with any housing needs. The hygiene and clothing resource list includes the Salvation Army, Isaiah 61, St. Vincent de Paul, the United Way, which number 211, and Congregational Church here in downtown Laconia, all can help with hygiene and clothing needs. I sincerely hope that this list helps you to find the resources to meet your care needs. All resources are open, accepting veteran patients, and some are allowing for multiple payment options. Thank you for giving of yourself for all of us. Just a note, this list will be updated every 3 months to assure that you continue to receive the up-to-date information that will best meet your care needs. Thank you, and I hope you find this helpful.